Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 217 of LeetCode, which is contains duplicate. In this question, first I will explain the question, then the approach, then the code in C++. So let's read the question. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. For example, a nums array 1, 2, 3, 1. So 1 has appeared 2 times, so it has duplicate, so we will return true. 1, 2, 3, 4, no duplicate, so false. For this question, I will explain the code in two approach. In first approach, I will sort the code, I will sort the array, and I will run a for loop. And then in the second, I will use a map. So for the first approach, we will first sort the nums array. Then we will run a for loop. Here we have to do nums of size and minus 1, as we will compare two values at once. So for not overflow, we have to do this. And then what we will do, we will check the current value and the value next to it. If they are same, which means they are duplicate. So if that happens, we will return true, or else we will let the loop complete and return false. As you can see, all of the test cases have been passed. Let's submit the code. Okay, so for this code, our runtime complexity will be n log n, as the sort function has the complexity n log n. The space complexity will be O of 1, as we are not using any extra variables. Now let's code in the second approach, which is the ordered map thing. Ordered map. So first we'll get an ordered map. In that, first we will show the number, second will be the frequency. We will run a for loop in the nums array, and if a number has already appeared once, that means its frequency will be 1, and if it's again coming, it will go in the if condition, and we will, which means it has a duplicate, and then we will return true, or else just we will add a number to the frequency map. As you can see, all the three test cases have been passed. Let's submit the code. For this, we got 55 millisecond runtime. So in this, our runtime will be O of n, and the space complexity will be of also O of n, as in the worst case scenario, all the distinct character can go in map. Okay, so if you like my explanation, give a like, and for more such LeetCode questions, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.